Welcome to our channel. If you want to test premium fitness applications through trial offers before committing to a subscription, follow these step-by-step instructions to find the right workout solution for your goals. Step 1. Identify premium fitness apps that align with your workout preferences, such as Peloton Digital, Apple Fitness Plus, Nike Training Club Premium, or Fitbit Premium that offer trial periods. Step 2. Review what features are included in premium versions versus free tiers, focusing on capabilities like personalized workout plans, live classes, or advanced progress tracking. Step 3. Download several fitness apps with trials to compare them directly, as the best app for you depends on your specific fitness level, goals, and workout style preferences. Step 4. Start your trials strategically when you're motivated and able to commit time to testing the apps, rather than during busy periods when you won't use them effectively. Step 5. Create your profile completely in each app, entering accurate fitness information and goals so the app can provide appropriate workout recommendations and tracking. Step 6. Try various workout types offered by each app during your trial, including different instructors, class lengths, and difficulty levels to fully understand the app's range. Step 7. Test the app's progress tracking and integration with your fitness devices or health apps to ensure it works seamlessly with your existing technology ecosystem. Step 8. Evaluate which app you actually used most consistently during the trial period, as the best fitness app is the one you'll continue using regularly after the free period ends. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.